girls, it's time for some math. Today in math, you're going to need your whiteboard and your marker and your math paper, page 97 and 98. It looks like this one, okay? And this is an oral assessment. So we're reviewing some concepts before I go ahead and let you take your test, okay? So let's get started with some Money in Our Pocket song, and then we'll practice our dimes and our nickels. Are you ready?
Let's learn. Money, money, money in my pocket. Money, money, I know how to count it. Money, money, money in my pocket. Money, money, I know how to count it. What's it worth? How much is a penny? 1 cent. How much is a nickel? 5 cents. How much is a dime? 10 cents. How much is a quarter? 25 cents. How much is a penny? 1 cent. How much is a nickel? 5 cents. How much is a dime? 10 cents. How much is a quarter? 25 cents. Money, money, money in my pocket. Money, money, I know how to count it. Money, money, money in my pocket. Money, money, I know how to count it. What's it worth? How much is a penny? 1 cent. How much is a nickel? 5 cents. How much is a dime? 10 cents. How much is a quarter? 25 cents. How much is a penny? 1 cent. How much is a nickel? 5 cents. How much is a dime? 10 cents. How much is a quarter? 25 cents. Money, money, money in my pocket. Money, money, I know how to count it. Money, money, money in my pocket. Money, money, I know how to count it. Here is a penny, and this is what it looks like.
Penny, penny,
A penny is worth.
1 cent,
A penny is worth.
1 cent.
Here is a nickel, and this is what it looks like.
Nickel, nickel,
A nickel is worth.
5 cents,
A nickel is worth.
5 cents.
Here is a dime, and this is what it looks like.
Dime, dime,
A dime is worth.
10 cents,
A dime is worth.
10 cents.
Here is a quarter, and this is what it looks like.
Quarter, quarter,
A quarter is worth.
25 cents,
A quarter is worth.
25 cents.
Money, money, money in my pocket. Money, money, I know how to count it. Money, money, money in my pocket. Money, money, I know how to count it. Money, money, money in my pocket. Money, money, I know how to count it. Money, money, money in my pocket. Money, money, I know how to count it.
All right, good job, boys and girls. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and practice counting our coins. So you're going to use your whiteboard and your marker. We're going to practice our dimes first. We know that this is called a dime, and a dime is worth 10 cents. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to put some dimes up, and you are going to draw the dimes and then write how much money we have all together, okay? So here we go. Remember to draw a dime, you just do a circle with a D. All right, here we go. I'm going to put up. All right, so go ahead and you're going to draw your dimes. My dimes are already up there. And then you're going to count by tens to tell me how much money you have. Hold on, what did I do? Here. I want that. Go away. There we go. So we're going to go 10, 20. Looks like a Z, huh? Let me change that. 20, 30, and 40. And remember, when you're talking about money, you want to go ahead and put that cent sign in, like this. So we have 10, 20, 30, and 40 cents. 40 cents. Good Good job. All right, let's go ahead and erase that. And let's take off 2 of my dimes. If I took off 2 of my dimes, how much money would I have? So you're going to count by tens. I want you to write it. You're going to go 10, and 20. So you have 10, 20 cents. 10, 20. Great job. All right. Let's erase that, and I'm going to add some more this time. All right, here we go. We have lots of dimes this time. Go ahead and write the tens underneath it, and then tell me how much money you have all together. You can push pause, remember. All right, let's see what we have. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60. So how much money did we have all together? We had 60 cents in our pocket. When we see a dime, we count by tens. Great job. All right, let's go ahead and try those nickels. Let me take these dimes off. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And let's put those nickels up. This is a nickel. A nickel is a little bit larger than a dime. A nickel is silver, and it also has a smooth edge on it. Thomas Jefferson is on a nickel with a Monticello on the back. All right, so we're going to go ahead. When we see a nickel, boys and girls, we're not going to say 1, 2, 3. We're not going to go 10, 20, 30. We're going to go 5, 10, 15, 20. So we're going to go 15. Okay, go ahead and underneath your nickels, you're going to write by fives. Fives. So we're going to go 5, because a nickel is worth 5 cents. 5, 10, and 15. So a nickel is worth 5 cents, and we're counting by fives. So we have 5, 10, 15 cents. Good job. Let's erase that, and I'm going to add some more nickels for you, okay? All right, there we go. Go ahead and let's count by fives. Tell yourself that's a nickel, and a nickel is worth 5 cents. So we're going to go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. And at least on the 25, make it the 25 cents. You know, like this. 25 cents. Okay? All right, let's add some more nickels. Doot, doot, and go ahead and do that one as well. We're going to count by fives. Ready? Here we go. 5, 10, say it with me. 15, remember if I'm going too fast, you can just pause the video. You can pause it until you're done, and then you can see if you are correct. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and 35. And the last one, go ahead and make it 35 cents. That little mouse is tricky to work with. 35 cents. Okay? Great job. Let's do one more before we do our paper. We're going to take these off, and I'm going to have you do just this one. There's one. So I want you to tell me what that coin is called. What's it called? Did you say a nickel? And a nickel is worth what, boys and girls? 5 cents. Good job. All right, let's go ahead, because on your assessment paper, you're going to see some after numbers as well. So let's go ahead and practice some of those after numbers. So get your whiteboard out. All right, I am going to write a number. Go ahead and say that number, and then write the number that comes next. All right, let's see. Dominic, what number comes after 69? Let's see what Dominic thinks. How about 70? Did you guys write 70? If you did, give yourself a thumbs up and give it some steam. Shoot! Good job. All right, how about this one right here? Let's see. Let's write the number 17. All right, now you guys are going to write the number that comes after 17. So let's see. How about Lennon? All right, Lennon. Hi, buddy. What comes after 17? Write the number that comes next. Or write the number that comes after 17. Good job. Let's see. Did you guys write 18? All right. You guys are awesome. Let's go ahead and do just one more. All right. Let's see. How about the number 80? All right, my little lions. Write the number that comes after 80 on your whiteboard. All right, let's see who knows the answer to that one. Brooke. If you're starting at 80, Brooke, hi, babe. What comes after 80? Let's see what Brooke thinks. Put that right there. What does Brooke think? Let's see, Brooke. Did you write 81? Great job. All right, boys and girls, I'm going to write a number word on the board, and I want you to write the number or draw it, the number to match. Are you ready? Here we go. Draw this number. And by draw, I just mean write the number in. Okay? Read that number. Go ahead and write that number now. Don't write F-I-V-E, draw it in. Great job. All right, let's see. Go ahead and draw that number. What do you think? What do you think? Let's see. All right, let's try this one. Mom and Dad, how are they doing? Are they getting them all right? All right, did you go ahead and read that word and then write that number on your board? Very good. All right, how about this one? You guys are getting really good at recognizing those ones. In first grade, they're going to be spelling words, so it's good that we recognize them right now. What is that one? 9. Great job, boys and girls. And how about this one? What does that say, boys and girls? That says 3. Great job. All right, so let's go ahead and get that math paper out. I think we're ready for it. All right, let's X him out, and let's pull up our math paper, which looks like this. All right, so you're gonna go ahead, boys and girls, and you're gonna print your name at the top. Our date today is April, January January, February, March, April 8th, the year 2020. Go ahead and write your name on there. Now, Mom and Dad, this is an assessment. So I don't want you helping your little ones with the answers. You can explain things to them, but I need to know what they know, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and go to number 1. Remember, boys and girls, if I'm going too fast, just push pause. All right, let's go to number 1. It says to add. So we're going to go ahead and do that. On number 2, it says circle how many cents. This is a nickel. Think about what a nickel is worth. A nickel is worth. Think about that song. Count the money, count the nickels, and tell me how much money you have. Okay, those are tricky. Think about a dime. A dime is worth what? Think about it in your head. You're going to count the dimes and tell me how much money you have. Those are tricky. Just do your best. Okay, number 3 says write the number that comes after. You just practice those. And on number 4 it says write the number. You're going to draw in the number, okay? Go ahead and do that side of your paper. When you're finished, flip it over and you can join me for the second part. Go ahead and push pause until you're done. All right. All right. How'd you guys do on that math test? Did you do good? I bet you did. All right. Let's see. These are word problems. So I'm going to read the story to you, and we're going to fill in the combination together. Okay? It says, on the way to school, Ben saw 2 yellow cars and 4 red cars. How many red and yellow cars did he see? Write the combination. So when you're doing a word problem, you're listening for the problem inside of the story. So at the beginning it says, Ben saw 2 yellow cars. So in the very first box, we're going to write the number 2. So go ahead and do that for me. So you're going to write 2. And then it says, and 4 red cars. So we're going to put a 4. So we just made our problem. Our problem is 2 yellow cars plus 4 red cars. Boys and girls, how many cars are there all together? Go ahead and count them up. You're going to write that sum right here. So you're going to write your answer right here. And then you're going to write the answer again right here because it says how many red and yellow cars did he see? So you're going to write that same answer right here. So the sum is going to go in 2 places. Okay? All right. Oh, look at it. The next sentence says our friend's named Emma. Hi, Emma. Okay, let's read the story. Emma rode her bike around the block 2 times on Tuesday and 3 times on Friday. How many times did she ride around the block this week? So we have to listen to the clues in the story. It says Emma rode her bike around the block 2 times. So number 2 is going to go right here because Emma was riding those, pedaling really fast around the corner, and she rode around 2 times on Tuesday. And then it says, and 3 times on Friday. So what do you think we're going to write right here? We're going to write a number 3. So there is our problem. 2 laps plus 3 laps equals what? You're going to write the answer right here, and then you're going to answer the question, how many times did she ride around the block this week? You're going to write that same answer on top. So they're asking you for the sum on both spaces. All right, great job, boys and girls. It's time for you guys to go outside and play. Well, not if it's raining. Inside play. Go ahead and eat a healthy snack, and I'll see you inside for story. All right, love you guys.